This pitch pine bedroom floor needs a good deep clean. It didn't need sanding, so there was no need to get the big machine out. We just literally gave it a good scrub with the rotary machine to take off a lot of the old debris. This was assisted with a chemical that broke down the old plaster, old decorating residue, and some old waxes. So once it was scrubbed down and agitated, we run over it with a scrubber dryer and left it to dry. Look at the soil that came off the floor. That's a mixture of wax and dirt and sort of just ingrained soil that had occurred over time. So yeah, it came up lovely. And this property, these pine boards are over 100 years old. So it's good to see them clean.